Alright guys, welcome back to 3BR Off-Road. As you can tell from the intro, I got portals. I'm super freaking pumped about this. Something I've been wanting to do for a while on my bike. And I'm ecstatic about this. I got a set of 4-inch, 30% reduction high lifter portals. And not only did I get those, but I got a set of 33-inch D-Stones. D-Stone Duramax, I believe. I don't know. They were not the tire I really wanted, but they were cheap and they fit and they look good and they're aggressive enough for what I want to do. But I got the rims on it. The ITP Hurricanes in bronze. Figured the bronze would go pretty well with the teal on the bike. So yeah, guys, I'm super pumped about this. I can't wait to see what the finished product looks like. It's been a long time coming for this. Really excited. I think I've said that before. I don't know if you can tell I'm really excited about this. So enough blabbering, let's get to the work. One kind of installed. It's bolted on, but my food's here, so I'm gonna eat real quick.
Ask for it, I'm gonna be like, yo.
Alright, so that side's pretty much all done. Just gotta put the brake caliper on it and change the brake line. And then I got my painter friend over here installing the other one. Hopefully it's not messed up when he's done.
Just a painter.
It'll look good though.
I'll make it pretty. Might not be right, but it'll be pretty.
I do need you to paint the doors when I'm not broke again.
We'll color match them in bed liner. It'll be cool.
Color match from a bed liner?
Yeah, tinted bed liner, son.
Teal bed liner?
Teal bed liner.
Oh, she wants some black, I think. She wants it all black.
Well, I can do that too.
Teal bed liner.
Teal bed liner? Eh,
Yeah, he can tint bed liner whatever color.
I'll have to talk to her. See what she says. It's her side by side, remember that. Alright, well, front portals are done on both sides. I'm working on the brake calipers now somewhere over here. Getting new pads on because I usually, well, hold on, where's the old pad at?
What pad?
That's how I normally run my brake pads. Come on, focus mode.
They can't squeak when there's no pad.
Yeah, they can't squeak when there's no pad, so you just run them through there. There's a nice little groove in them. Come on, focus for me here. Autofocus. There we go. Yeah, you see? Oh yeah, you see a little groove in it. That's how you run a brake pad. But since I got nice new rotors, I figured I would put new brake pads on it. Never do that. And Miller's already started on the rear. See, if it weren't for him, I wouldn't be getting anywhere tonight.
Probably.
All right, here, you can hold it. You saw the video where I was putting that front end back together. It took me about an hour to find the washer.
Nice buns.
And pull from underwear. You're gonna get taken down and get rated R on YouTube.
He's got cocks on his underwear. That's awesome. This thing's focused right on your head. Dang, got them Scoobaroo wheels.
Scoobaroo. That just means it goes fast and makes a lot of turbo noises now.
Got them Scoobaroo wheels.
Sounds more like a pistol, but I'll go with it.
Fixing to be all blue and cold. See, kids, just fake it till you make it. You gotta know what you're doing.
Nope. Ow! Plastic jabbed me in the rib.
There's a door there.
Oh, is that what that was? No. I don't even know what hit me on my own bike. There we go.
Work it.
Ah, one bolt.
Work it.
See, I just need to hire a cameraman because... Oh no, did I really do that? Oh no. Thought I had the wrong brackets on this.
Do you?
No, I got the right ones.
Oh.
I had a little heart attack. I'm like, no!
We have come too far.
You, sir, have done f***ed up.
We have come way too far to be taking this thing apart. Did you just find you a homeless guy from up the street?
Yeah, I need to find someone that'll film. That'd be nice.
Get you a bum.
Get you a bum, get him a 4-pack of
Ice House.
Ice House.
Crystal meth.
I need him calm. I don't need him jittery over there. I do have a gimbal. He can use the gimbal, he can be shaking and it'll be fine.
It does come in 4-packs now.
Does it really?
I don't know. I don't do math.
About that my follow-up question was, how do you know that?
I don't do math. It's expensive.
You do? How do you know that?
All drugs are expensive. I ain't got no time for that. How do you zoom this thing? Oh, fancy. I was looking for a button.
No button zoom here, buddy.
No button zoom. We didn't afford that option.
No, that's for cool people.
Well, it doesn't even zoom that far. Should get a really zoomy one.
No, because I don't have a big lens on it.
You need
I need to buy a separate
You need a
lens.
big lens for a big man. He don't even care.
He's just happy to be working on something.
I gave him the full zoom in. What?
What?
What'd you say about Anna?
What did you say? Yeah, you're gonna be able to use like 14 seconds out of the 6 minutes.
I feel like that brake line's not even long enough for this side.
I feel like it's too long. That's what she said. Oh, shoot.
I know, you're just like, get this thing done so I can get my bike in here and go home.
Bitch, I'll go home. The key's in it.
I'll send you a picture tomorrow when I show up and it's still outside. Because this bitch ain't done. Sorry, Ian.
Just chain it.
I put the parking brake on.
It doesn't have one.
Wait, it doesn't?
If it does, I haven't found it.
It should.
Miller's does. His is brand new and fancy. I don't think mine has a parking brake.
Oh, that should be enough. That's full droop right there. Yeah, that should be enough.
Yeah, I mean, that's fully extended, right?
That's what they call me, Daddy Full Droop.
That's the title of this video, Daddy Full Droop.
That's what they call me.
They call me Daddy Full Droop. Yeah, you're right. I'm not gonna be able to use anything out of this video.
I got a Snapchat of Dave's light up whips as the bike's in like 400 pieces.
Is that what he sent to you?
Yeah. Those whips are badass. I can't wait to get mine on. I can't wait for Corey to put mine on.
Oh wait, I'm putting them on now?
I don't know.
I'll put them on.
It's your shop.
I was just gonna record you putting them on.
We just got to figure out where to put them. That's the problem. AJ and I were looking for a while, but I still need to be able to use the bed.
They need to go. They need to.
And I don't want to have to disconnect them every single time.
Honestly, we need to make some kind of mount that like bolts to the roll cage.
That's
They
what I
sell
was. That's what I was thinking. Not for Can-Ams, they don't.
Of course they don't.
I can have my dad machine some.
Because the Can-Am roll cage is like a weird
go
shape.
look at the damn brackets he made for his ammo boxes. Seriously, go.
Ammo boxes?
He's got 2 ammo boxes in the front of his bike. And he made fucking brackets for him because he's like, I need some kind of storage on my bike.
Oh no, we lost the Fluffy. Your dad made these brackets?
Yeah. She'll be able to see him. Oh, she's all done. Sitting on her own again. Give a huge shout out to my boy Miller. Shelby, big help on this.
We got it knocked out.
Honestly, if it weren't for him, this thing would probably be sitting still with just the front done because just with one person, it's very difficult.
Makes it easy with some extra help.
It really does. I'm digging the way she looks though. Now to get all the plastics back on because she still is naked. And also a big shout out to Ian. Woo!
Woo! Not really.
Moral support.
Very cameraman.
Mine's a lot wider.
Oh, hell yeah. Your wheels have way more offset. But yeah, that's Ian's new bike. She's pretty nasty.
It's yellow.
I want a yellow.
I'm pretty happy with it though.
It looks good.
So it's like big bike, not so big bike.
I think your roof might be taller.
I don't think it's taller, but it's
got tape measure?
Where'd the
Somewhere, remember there's a fab shop. We have one around
Where'd
here.
that tape measure go?
The shop is an absolute disaster, guys. Sorry. Like,
Where did
I
it
know
go?
it's normally not like this,
It was right here somewhere.
but we've been just cranking away. I'm sorry I didn't film a whole lot because we just kind of got in the zone and just got it done. But you've seen me do portals before. It's all good. Well, you've seen AJ do. Oh, he found. That ain't the right one. Oh, it's right there on the front of my side by side.
Don't matter.
There you go.
Oops.
Nice one. Oh yeah, shop's absolute disaster. So much shit everywhere.
85 1/4.
86 1/4.
It's a fucking inch.
Hey, measure to your rocker.
Oh, your floorboard.
Like the very top, or where are you going to the bottom?
I'm going to the bottom rail.
Bottom rail.
Bottom of the rail. Like where it would hit something.
23.
23 1/4. Woo! Got it beat by a quarter.
Well, you're not. There's no plastics on this side. I guess it's literally the plastic
So the
bolts
bar.
right to it. Yeah, you're right. You're right. No, you're right. You're right.
I mean, they're basically the same height.
So if I put 35s on it, she'd be a little bit taller.
You got the same ground clearance, and he's only an inch taller on the roof. But
I just got.
I'm chopping that roof. It's not gonna be before Labor Day, guys, but
I want to do mine.
she's getting chopped. Yours doesn't look bad though.
No.
Like this looks goofy.
Yeah, but if you see the Defenders with chop roofs,
They look good.
They look mean.
What do you think? Like 3 inches out?
I'm kind of tall, maybe like 2.
wait till we do the color change on this.
I can't wait till it's changed.
You're gonna have to. I want to do a video of that. We need a. I want it like parked in the shop. I'm gonna do a snap change. We'll park it right in the same spot, and then like
Boom,
so it'll be yellow, and then boom, purple. I love doing snap
It'll
changes
be-
for some reason.
It'll be purple and silver.
I'm like pointing right at his hand, like I'm talking to you, and like all I can see is like the bald spot of your head.
Purple
Jeez.
and
The bald spot on my head.
purple and silver.
I mean, your forehead is what I meant.
The whole head. The whole head.
My whole 12 head.
Your whole 12 head. Yeah, this thing all. So everything yellow, purple, or just no, the plastic would be black.
Plastics are going silver,
All the plastics.
and all the metal.
Black plastics and the silver and the yellow
black,
plastics.
every bit of plastic on there's
The
going
whole
to
thing's
silver,
gonna be silver.
and the metal pieces
All the
are
metal stuff will
going
be illusion purple.
illusion 3-stage purple.
Sounds expensive.
Sounds fancy.
Not if you got a sugar daddy right there.
Right there. Yeah, I need. So this paint guy. That's what
the
he's the best at.
Just a painter.
Just a
Sugar
painter.
daddy.
Just a painter, and he installed all my portals pretty much. Oh no, that's
Oh.
Angry Woman.
Oh, wifey's mad.
57 1/2.
Oh, like I was saying before, the wife rudely interrupted me. Like this, that same color.
No, not the same. 57 1/2, 58.
No way.
They are.
Go to the top of the,
Like where the dash starts.
where the dash starts.
What is up?
58.
58. Call it 58. See where it's at. Dash looks a lot taller than this.
It looks a lot bigger. So the dash starts is like right here. So 59, an inch.
Ain't much.
It's not much.
It looks a lot
it's-
taller. It's an
it's-
illusion.
This is where they're
Well, like
where
he
they're
said,
designed.
you know, from a 33 to a
Not to mention
37, it's
you
only
don't e-
2 inches
But
overall.
you don't have your hood or anything on too, so
Yeah, it does. Once it's done, it should look good. I'm gonna buy another. I gotta buy a new fender for this one because I couldn't get that out.
Yeah, 'cause I mean, 4 inches overall, but really you're only 2 inches bigger. You know, 2 inches taller.
I don't give a shit.
So
They're both nice bikes. You definitely have way more power. I wish this was a 1000. That'd be nice.
There's a lot of cool shit.
Who said that?
My Uncle Greg.
Yeah.
I sent him this. I'm like, it's like a
There's too much shit in here. Literally, side by side, fire truck, mud truck,
more shit in here than you want to do.
4-wheeler, side by side, and a taxi.
There's a lot of
But yeah, definitely big shout out to you too.